Welcome, here I've got Vivax Fly 6 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard picture mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the picture size option, so let's pick it. Now we can manage the quality of the picture in megapixels connected with aspect ratio, so the camera frame, this is how it looks like. Let me focus now on aspect ratio, because this is the difference we can see by our eyes in the camera app. We are in 4:3 ratio with 16 megapixels. This ratio is also available with the lower quality 8 megapixels or 5 megapixels. Let's change it to 13:6 with 10 megapixels now. And let's go back to the camera preview. As you can see, the background has changed to the full one. So this is the full camera frame at this device now. Let's tap again to the left corner to the picture size, and we can see that 13:6 ratio is also available with 5 megapixels and 2 megapixels, so this is the lower quality. Now let's pick 16:9 with 9 megapixels. And in the camera preview we can see that this is how it looks like, so again the background of the camera has changed. And again let's tap to the left corner to the picture size. You can see that 16:9 ratio is also available with 2 megapixels and 1 megapixel. So as I said, you can pick here whatever you need. I suggest you to keep this on the best possible quality, 16 megapixels with 4:3 ratio. So to remind you, this is how it looks like. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.